Upgrading exterior doors to impact-resistant models is one of the most effective steps a homeowner can take to improve security and weather resilience during new home construction. Choose either steel or fiberglass doors with reinforced frames and a factory-tested impact rating that matches your local code requirements. Fiberglass offers corrosion resistance and can mimic wood grain, while steel provides maximum strength for the same footprint. Specify multi-point locking systems that engage at the top, middle, and bottom of the door, and choose hardware with hardened steel bolts and an extended strike plate to distribute forced entry loads into the framing. For doors with sidelights or transoms, use certified impact-rated glazing and ensure the framing members and glazing stops are engineered to accept the rated glass without relying on field glazing clips that can fail under impact. Make weatherproofing integral by installing continuous compressible weather stripping around the perimeter, a full height threshold seal with a positive drainage path, and a preformed sill pan at the rough opening to direct water out of the wall assembly. Flash the opening with high-performance flexible flashing folded into the sill pan and lapped over the head and jam flashing to prevent leakage at fasteners and joints. Use compatible sealants rated for joint movement and ultraviolet exposure. Finally, confirm correct rough opening size and shimming practice so the frame remains plumb and square without over-compressing insulation. Misaligned frames will void manufacturer warranties and can compromise both security and weather performance. Common mistakes start with installing a rated door into a poorly prepared rough opening, which leads to binding, gaps, and failed seals. So always verify the opening is square and use shims only at manufacturer-specified points to transfer load to framing. Another issue is using non-rated sidelights or aftermarket glazing with a rated door, which reduces the entire system performance. So specify impact-rated glazing and have the manufacturer or supplier document the tested assembly. A third frequent problem is inadequate flashing and sill pan detail that allows water intrusion. Address this by pre-installing a continuous sill pan, integrating flexible flashing with the wall weather barrier, and pressure testing or visually inspecting the drain path before closing the wall. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who bid on exterior door upgrades and other home improvements, and it also helps contractors find steady work by listing projects and leads. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals trade installation tips, product experiences, and local code insights to make projects run smoother.